welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to make your color last longer. And this is specifically for people who have gray roots growing in. Please consider subscribing to my channel to stay up to date with more hair, beauty, and fashion tips. This video is about how to cover your hair in an emergency. So if you're gonna go out for the night, you have a big meeting, you have a big presentation, you just don't want to walk around with a gray streak. They have tons of products on the market. They have sprays, mascaras. I personally like the Goldwell DualSense Root Retouch Powder. Super compact, it's like makeup. You can put in your purse, put it in your car, keep it at home and just do it every morning and you'll get really good results with this. It comes in a light blonde, dark blonde, copper red, medium brown, and dark brown to black. So the bottom pops out and you have this little sponge and you just push it into the powder and then apply onto your outgrowth. So I recommend just doing this on your part and on your hairline. If your hair is up in a ponytail, you can just do your hairline. If your hair is down, I would do the hairline and your part. It's really cool, it's gonna last all day, and then the next day you can just reapply. Since it's a powder, it's going to act like a dry shampoo, so you're not gonna feel like your hair is weighed down, it's not going to feel oily. It will actually remove some of the natural oils that your hair produces throughout the day, so it'll make your style last a little longer too, which is an extra benefit. And the reason why I like the pressed powder the best is because the spray can kind of get everywhere except where you want it, so you're not going to get as much concentration unless you go really, really close. You know, it's a personal preference. I like that you can really just put this in your purse, take it out, and just like kind of press on the outgrowth whenever you need it. In my experience doing hair, this has been the best one that I've found. So there's 5 colors to choose from and they all should blend in. If it's not gonna match 100%, I recommend going a touch darker because a super shadowy root is like more stylish than a lighter root. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below and I will see you next time.